guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we will do a froggy pose. So before I begin, I just want to show you my bracelet, and it's always glues to me, like always. So while I'm doing my yoga pose, I'm also gonna wear this bracelet. So let's just continue with the froggy pose. So I always tell you the benefits before I begin the yoga pose. So first benefit is it stretches your back. It stretches your back, and the second one, it can make your breathing problems good. So it is also gonna help your lungs. So let's begin. So for froggy pose, we'll also do some variations. So firstly, for beginners, we have to stretch. If you so it will stretch a little better on the floor. If I do it, it's gonna stretch a little better. So now have to come. We have to lie down like this. And your legs should be, your back should be arched. So first I'm gonna show you like this. From the front angle, it looks like this. From the side angle, it looks like this. So now let's get on to the variations. So first variation is gonna be so first we have to come in a froggy pose, as I told you. So then we're gonna come at this side, like this. So guys, this is the first variation, and let's count till 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So let's go to the next side. We'll also count till 10 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then let's go on to our next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So our last one is we have to join our legs like this. Let's count till 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, I forgot 2. So let's go. So we have to lie down and straighten our hands. And then I have space here, so I'm getting a little back. So now we have to put hands forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So guys, I was warmed up. So for you, I'm just telling you, so before you're starting these exercises, you have to do some warm-ups. Like first, for arch back, if you want to arch back, please have to make camel pose. So a camel pose is the first one, and then you just have to, for some stretches, you have to then you have to do. So guys, the second stretch for a back bend is also, so it's a back bend. So if people can't do it without wall support, they can do like this, and then it will help you for your back. So that's it. So make sure to like and subscribe my channel.